This is Allie, and I'm in Avery Island, Louisiana, at Tabasco Museum, and we're about to go on the tour. And we maybe be eating here, maybe. So we're going to get tickets.
Come over here, Cameron.
Got into the museum, and there is some random things.
Next time.
And then over here,
Baby has to be older.
there's a swamp. Yeah, because look, he has to be older because look, there's an alligator going towards right there. It's going towards the boat. And there's just a pretty sunset. And here's some people on the boat. And that's it. And here's some kind of hot sauce. The alligator is on top. I'm trying to let you read it.
These are some of the things they've been promoting.
You can pause it and read it.
Here you go. I think it's in there. I'm pretty sure.
So, yeah.
Look.
There's something right here.
I think we have this.
You can, again, you could pause it and read it.
Or is that totally separate?
Like, this is Amelia, Allie's sister, and here's the thing, the island we're on. It's big.
These are counterfeits.
Ooh, it was here since 2015.
That is so cool.
Yeah. See there, if you didn't hear, that is where they were paid. That's how the people that made the Tabasco were paid. But that's really cool. Look at all the shapes and stuff. Wow. I wonder if people could buy stuff with that. Because that does not look like real money. Oh look, there's a canoe over there. Okay.
Oh, I didn't know to look up. There's something over there too.
And over there, whoa, it's a spear. I actually never seen a spear. Well, it's an alligator.
Why I got grass on top of it?
That's very cool. It's really real. So, right here is a fish. I'm not sure what it is. It's eating a pepper. Oh, the pepper's the bait. Oh. Right now,
It's just art.
we're going to,
The greenhouse is way back there, y'all.
yeah,
Y'all can go to the bathroom. It's right over here.
the greenhouse. Look, we just found some deer prints. See right there? And over there, there's a lot of bamboo. And that means there's bears. So that's bad. And the trash cans has a lock on it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. So we're walking, and here's a sign. It says 2 this way. We're going to 2, which is the greenhouse. And over here is a sign that says bear quarantine area. It says do not feed or approach. Leave imitate area in call. If just call that number if spotted.
Come here.
So yeah, that's bad. There's a bus. There's like says Hot Pepper Express. There's the Tabasco right there. We're still in the same place with the bamboo and stuff. And yeah, and right here there's a sign that says caution truck crossing. And that says the same thing. And there's trucks over there. See? That one says Tabasco, except you can't see the T. So yeah. And over here is the bamboo and stuff. It says
No, they got the thing right there, so not to.
please
You can, but you ain't
do not cut
Probably a bear in here.
or take the bamboo. And I think that used to be a walkway or something, but I think they blocked it off or something. And see all the bamboo? I wonder how bears move and stuff. It's starting to get scary. And it says no trespassing. See? And that's just some place where we can't trespass. Whatever. Trespass. Well, so over here,
Our pictures, I looked at them. We have to do outdoor pictures tomorrow.
and right here's the greenhouse. We finally made it.
What is a greenhouse?
A place where plants and stuff grow.
Yep.
So we're going through. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's really because the plants have to grow. So there's some peppers. A lot of peppers.
Okay. Walk out.
There's tiny peppers over there. And there's some orange peppers. A lot of peppers. And some small peppers. And then
I'm walking out.
so over here there's some yellow peppers. I think they turn into green peppers. I think that is, I don't know. Whoa! So, that looks like a bird pepper, that black pepper over there. Looks weird. There's some it's very hot. I think we should go. Exit this place. Oh, it feels so good. Feels so good. Oh. It's really hot in there. Well, let's go to our next place. I think it's number 3.
Enter stop 3, Barrel Museum.
So, is this the place? Oh, look, a helicopter. Very close. Look, helicopter. Oh, good. Okay, it kind of stinks. But there's some. It really stinks. I really don't like it. It actually doesn't. Okay, I really want to show you this. It's the barrels. It's actually the barrels. them stacked on top of each other. Oh, I just thought of something very weird. I mean, not weird, but something very cool. What if the barrels just fell over? But I don't think that would happen because there's like strings. And I think they're electric. Because it's like metal. Here. Okay, I can't do it. Over here. Oh, see right there? Those are rails with sand on top of it. Here is the salt. The sand pouring warehouse. I mean, it's a viewing window. Look how far that is. And it really stinks. It smells like horse apples, but it's really strong. Oh, I think.
How many of you counted? Okay, I think you need to start counting them.
Oh gosh. Well, now we're going. Okay, so now we are going to the 4th place. Well, our mom's waiting over there. See? I gotta quickly go. I'm last. Well, that stank, okay? That really stank. So, that was a bug. There's big bugs in Louisiana. How do pandas and stuff move around? Oh, by the way, I don't know if I said this or not, but that's bamboo. That's bamboo. Oh. So, yeah. There's 8, wait, it's varies. Wait, no it's not. There's 8 places. We're going to number 4. Wait, what? Yeah. So, why does everything seem close up? Oh, that's why. Well, 4 is this way. Wait, is that number 8? Right there? Well, come on, Will. Okay, that is number 8. See, the trash cans have locks on it. An American flag. No, a USA flag. I'm actually not sure. I don't know my flags. I think that's the USA flag. And over there, I think one of those are the Louisiana flag. But we live in Texas.
This is what you have to make for your project.
This is a 5th.
This is like a family crest, what you have to do for your project. Come here.
That's a crest.
This is an example.
This is the 5th thing. So over there I'm not sure what it is. I think it's a bus. I'm just gonna say why I'm in Louisiana. I'm in Louisiana. I came here for a wedding. Yeah, a wedding. Well, okay, here. We finally got to number 4. Okay. Oh, here's number 4, see? So, I'm glad nothing else smells like that. So, Let's go up the stairs. There's a picture. Then we're going up the stairs. Oh, here are the fabrics that we saw down there. We're still going up. Okay. It says, caution, watch your step. Woo! I can't see down there, but the camera can. So I'm just gonna watch from the camera. Because there's like this little thing. So I think this is where they make. That's very cool. So we're here at number 5, looking around. This is 20 years. The people 20 years in service. The people 25 years in service. The people 30 years in service. The people 35 years in service. The people 40 years in service. The people 45 years of service. There's a bunch of stuff over here. I think this is salt. Oh, it's a salt mine. I'm gonna smell it. It doesn't smell like salt. No, there's something over here. Something over here.
That's 6, which has the name that's gone.
Oh. Well, let's go. Let's go to number 5. Oh, this is not. Okay. Going into number 6. It's dangerous movements. And these men are blowing up in there, I think. And that's another man that's doing the explosives. Let's keep on going. So now we're going into number 7. Bottling line. Okay. We're watching people bottle. Well, actually, no, we're just looking at what the bottling thing is doing. This is to vodka pepper sauce rolling produced today. That's really cool. And now we're going to 8. Whoa, this is cool. Well, it says cover top. Whoa, there's like huge birds. Tabasco. That's like green. It's brown. It's really good. Wow. Here's some chips. Oh no. Here's some just I don't know what that is. That I don't really know either. Right there, that right there. Okay. Oh. Here. Here's some recipes. So I'm not sure these are recipes. I'll just show y'all. Pause it to read it again. Okay. Oh, that looks not bad. That looks good. Remember, pause it.